In Excel, you are working with sheet number 1. If you want to work on another sheet, you have to click on this icon, which is plus sign. Click here. This will generate the new sheet. Now we have created our new sheet, and if you want to change the name of this sheet, you have to double click and type anything that you want to name this sheet. Suppose I have write some and click enter. Now if I have write any data over here, for example 0 1 2 3, and if you select this all data and drag it down, this will automatically generate the number in sequence. Now you are required to find the sum of all of that number. Select all the number and see in this region sum. Your Excel automatically show the sum and average of this number and count. In another way, you can also find it by that way. You type equal to and then sum, double click over here and select all the data or range from G6 to G21 and click enter. This will automatically generate the sum of all these numbers. If you want to find out the maximum number from all of that data, you have to type equal to and maximum and then select all the data from G1 to G6 to G21. This is 21, so I click enter. So you can see 15 is the maximum number from all of these numbers. If you also want to find the minimum number, then you have to type equal to and then minimum function, double click over here and select all the data from G6 to G21 and click enter, and you can clearly see that the minimum number is 0.